up guys, it's your boy Olushola David and you're welcome back once again. Now in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money with affiliate marketing using the Medium platform. Okay, so let's say you've always wanted to start affiliate marketing, or probably because you don't have a website of your own you couldn't go about it. Then you have nothing to worry about, because in today's video I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how you can start making money with affiliate marketing every blessed month without having a website of your own. Okay, all you're going to be using for this is the Medium platform. Okay, and I'm going to show you step by step on how you can do this for yourself and make money every blessed month. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to head over to my computer and show you how you can do this. Okay, but if this is your first time visiting the channel, please like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, welcome back once again, and like I said, I'm going to show you how you can use Medium to make money with affiliate marketing. Now the good thing about Medium is that the platform is actually free to use. Okay, you can create an account for free on the platform without worrying or without having a limited account. Okay, for us to successfully make money with affiliate marketing using the Medium platform, the first thing we are going to be needing is an affiliate platform. Okay, now for us to make money with affiliate marketing, obviously we need to join some affiliate programs, okay, whereby we can get our affiliate links and use these links to monetize our article. Okay, so for this tutorial I'm going to be going with Warrior Plus. Okay, Warrior Plus is actually a popular affiliate network whereby you can easily sign up for free and send requests to affiliate vendors and get your affiliate links and monetize this link and start making money based on the traffic you are making. Okay, so once you've gotten an affiliate offer that you want to promote, the next thing you want to do now is to create a content around that affiliate offer you want to promote. So the next on the list of what we are going to be needing, it's an article writer. Okay, if you want to scale this affiliate marketing, okay, you need to start working with writers, because if you are going to be writing the content yourself, you're going to burn out. Okay, so the best way to scale this thing is to work with affiliate writers that are going to help you write this content. The content you can get on this platform is crazily cheap. Okay, so at the end of the video you can just go to the description of the video and check these links. All the platform I'm talking about is going to be at the description of the video. Just scroll to the description of the video and get the links to the platform. For the sake of this tutorial, let's go with Warrior Plus. So this is Warrior Plus. Okay, if you don't have an account with Warrior Plus, or you can simply do a Google search and search for Warrior Plus and you're going to see the platform. Okay, so this is Warrior Plus. All you simply need to just create an account. It's free, and get your affiliate links on the program. So once you've logged into Warrior Plus, you're going to see the list of the products that are hot or current products that are doing well on the platform. Obviously, if you want to promote affiliate product, okay, what you need to go for is product that is already doing well. Okay, you need to go for products that are selling. Okay, and currently these are the top products that we have on Warrior Plus. Okay, so I'm going to go with the first one, which is called CryptoMate. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on it to know more. I'm going to click on it to know more about the product. Okay, so once we know more about the product, then we are going to know how to promote the product. Okay, so what is CryptoMate now? CryptoMate is a product about cryptocurrency, and currently the crypto market is actually hot, so probably this is one of the reasons why this affiliate product is hot on the market. All right, so once you've determined the affiliate product you want to promote, once you know much about the product, the next thing you want to do is head over to Medium. Okay, so I'm going to log into my Medium account. So in your own case, you can also log in easily to your Medium account, and if you are yet to create an account with Medium, I have created a video on how to sign up with Medium. Okay, I'm going to be adding the link also at the description of the video, or you can check the right hand corner of this video. Okay, so let me sign in with Google and show you how you can actually do this using the Medium platform. All right, so as you can see now, I'm logged into my account, but this account is limited. Okay, so in the course of the video, I'm also going to show you what you need to do not to get your Medium account banned. Okay, I'm also going to show you everything you need not to get your Medium account banned. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to come here, then click on Write Stories. Okay, click on Write Stories. So remember, and this is the product we want to promote. Okay, now you need to request for this product. Yeah, come to affiliate, then come to affiliate offers. Okay, so from affiliate offers, you'll be able to request for an affiliate link for this product on Warrior Plus. Depending on the affiliate program you are promoting, you should be able to easily get your affiliate links. Okay, all right. Okay, so as you can see now, this are the top products on Warrior Plus. Now we have Breeze Funnel, we have CryptoMate, and we have Secret Email System. Like I said, now this is the product we are going to be promoting, CryptoMate. Okay, so for you to request for an affiliate link, all you simply need to do is just click this request. Okay, then send some message to the owner of the product. Okay, so as you can see now, this is the owner of the product. The owner of the product is called Singularity. Okay, so if you want to contact the vendor, all you need to do is just click here, then message the vendor or send some messages that, hi, my name is so I have a massive email list and a website, and I would love to promote your product. Just come up with something enticing that will let them approve your request. Okay, so once they've approved your request, what you want to do next is go to the landing page of the product you want to promote. Okay, go to the landing page of the product you want to. So you need to familiarize yourself with the content of the product. So after you familiarize yourself with the content of the product, then you need to do a bit of Google research on the product. Okay, so what we are going to be using is content, and for us to do well with content, we need to do a little bit of SEO. Now, what is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. So if we are okay with SEO, we'll be able to rank higher for this product keyword. Okay, so in my own case, I usually go with SEMrush. Okay, so what I simply do is, first I do a quick search on the product, which is CryptoMate review. So once I do the review, I'm going to look for people that are ranking for this product already. So as you can see, we have Trustpilot, we have CryptoWiser, so basically from what I'm seeing, there is no major website promoting this product, because all this Trustpilot is just a review platform whereby people give short reviews about the product. Okay, so if you create a good content, you can easily rank for this product, but we are not sure. So for you to sure, copy the keyword and head over to SEMrush. Okay, so from here, so once you are in your SEMrush account, what you need to do is come to SEO right here, then click on keyword overview. Okay, so once you click on keywords overview, it's going to bring out the keyword tab. So from there you can do your keyword research. Okay, so what we need to do now is enter this, then click enter, then click analyze rather. Alright, so as you can see now, the total search volume for this keyword is 110. Okay, and let's look at the keyword difficulty. Keyword difficulty not available. Can you imagine? So this means you can actually create a content for this product and rank for it the next day. Okay, so the next thing we want to do now is go back to the Google search and look for reviews already on this product. Okay, now this is a Medium review already. So what you want to do is you want to open this on another tab. Then look for another review. Okay, so this is 2 days ago. You want to open this on another tab. Okay, so all the content you open, what you're simply going to do is you're going to copy the URL. Okay, so this is what the article writer is going to use to generate our own content. Okay, so this is what we are going to be working with. Okay, so you're going to use something like this to draft your own article outline. Okay, so I've gone ahead and draft out a little one. Okay, so as you can see now, this is introduction, what is CryptoMate, features and benefits, who should buy it, pros and cons, how much does CryptoMate cost, and conclusion. Okay, so copy this and we are going to head over to the content website. All right, so this is the website. I'm also going to add the link to the website at the description of the video. So what you want to do is you want to come here, then click on get content written, other articles. Okay, so the description of the content is going to be CryptoMate. Okay, so select category. No, so category is going to be business and investing. So now the length of the article you want to write. So like I said, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be working with what is already ranking on Google search result. Okay, so like I said, this doesn't matter, this doesn't matter. Now this is the actual website. Okay, so this is the first, this is the first article. Okay, so we're going to be using this as a benchmark, okay, to create a better review. Okay, so how does CryptoMate exchange work? Registration process. I'm actually not sure if this is the right article. Okay, so let me check the next one. Okay, so let me check the word count for this. Let me quickly do a word count check so we can know how much we're going to be writing. Okay, so for this word count, you can actually go to Chrome extension, Google Chrome extension, and search for word counter. You'll be able to see word count that you can use. So for this, as you can see now, this is 974 words. 974 words. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going with, let's say, 1000 to 2000, because you want to create a content that is better than what is ranking already on Google. Okay, so you can determine the English language you want to use here, British English or British America. Okay, so you can specify the date. So if it's 1 day you want them to write the article, you can specify here, and if it's 2 day, I usually go with 2 day to give them more time to do their research. Okay, so here you can choose the set of people you want to write the article for you. Okay, so if the article you want to write, it's a more detailed or more in-depth article, I usually go with expert writers. Okay, for something like this, we can actually go with general or skilled writer. Since you're going to be doing a little bit editing on the content, you can easily go with general writer. Okay, so now the description or the outline, copy it, then paste it here. So the keyword is CryptoMate review. CryptoMate review. So that is the keyword we want to rank for. Okay, so the total project cost is going to cost us 11.99 cents dollar. Okay, so as you can see, it's not even up to $12. Okay, so for us to write this content, all we're going to spend then is, let's just say, approximately $12 for this. Okay, if you want to go with extremely cheap one, you can go with beginner. So if you are going with beginner, it's going to cost you $8, but if it's general, it's going to cost $11. If it's skilled, it's going to cost us $14, and expert is going to cost us $32. Using general is actually okay too. Okay, or you just need to, since you've outlined what you want them to write, okay, is going to be easier for them to write. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to copy this content URL. Okay, the good ones, copy it, then come back here, then you can just say use this as guideline. So paste the article URL here. So you can also tell them to do you can also tell them to do additional Google research on the keywords to be able to have more content on the product you are trying to promote. Okay, so once they've written the product for you, what you simply need to do is come back to Medium. Okay, come back to Medium platform, and so let's assume this is the content we've written, and this is content we want to publish on Medium. Okay, so I'm simply going to copy this and work with this. Okay, so this is going to be CryptoMate review. Then you need to make your article content attractive. Okay, so let's say CryptoMate review. Does it work? Does it work? Okay, so the content is going to go here. All right. So if you want to add a picture, you can simply click on this plus button and the picture is going to come here. So if you want to adjust the headings, you can come here and make it bold or make it bigger. All right. So let's say you want to add your affiliate link. Okay. So let me quickly let me work with this. So you can come under the content and say check out CryptoMate. Okay, so you can make it bold, then click on this chain icon to put your affiliate link. Okay, I can't put my own link because this account is suspended. So once you click on this, all you simply need is to enter your affiliate links and press enter. Okay, so once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is click on the publish button, and that is all you have to do. Within 2 or 3 days, your article is going to start showing when people start searching for CryptoMate review. And once people start searching for CryptoMate review and your content is coming up, once they start reading it and clicking your affiliate links, now for everybody that buy the product from your affiliate links, you're going to make an affiliate commission. Okay, so the only payment you're going to be making is going to be for the content creation, and that is basically how you can make money with affiliate marketing using the Medium platform. Okay, so you can do extensive research on the product on Warrior Plus. You can go with like 10 products and write reviews for this 10 product and publish them on Medium. A good way to do research is to check the product review, come here and check for the keyword difficulties. Any keyword difficulties that is under 40, that is below 40, is actually something you can easily rank for using the Medium platform. Okay, so once you publish the content on Medium, within 2 or 3 days, you'll be able to rank for the product, and once people start saying it, you start making money based on every clicks you are getting to your affiliate offer. So this is basically how you can make money with affiliate marketing using the Medium platform. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.